Hello students, in this video we will know about the poem Wind. This is the second poem of your Beehive book. This is a very famous poem written by Subramania Bharati. Later, it was written in Tamil first, but it was translated into English by A.K. Ramanujan. Here, let me read the poem first. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the window. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings, frail crumblings, houses, crumbling doors, crumbling raptors, crumbling woods, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind got winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell them. So, come, let's build strong homes. Let's joint the doors firmly, practice to form the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friend with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fire roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. So this is a poem. There is no rhyming scheme. The rhyming scheme is free verse. It is a very famous poem written by Subramania Bharati in Tamil, but later it was translated by A.K. Ramanujan in English. It is a very beautiful poem. We have to be, or we should be, very thankful for the poet, because with the help of the poem Wind, the poet give us a very good idea about the challenges of our life, that how we can emerge with that challenge. So, some of the lines let me read and explain line by line like this. Wind comes softly. Poet call as wind as come softly. What the poet calling to the wind? The poet calling to the wind that wind come softly. Don't bring the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. So, poet is telling to the wind that don't break the shutters of the windows and don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Means the poet is telling to the wind that don't scatter the papers, don't throw the books from the shelves, and don't tear the pages of the books. There, look what you did. You threw them all. The poet is telling to the arguing to the wind that, oh, you have fallen, you have made the books all to throw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Poet is telling to the wind, arguing to the winds, that why you tore the pages of the books, and look, you bring the rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Poet is again arguing to the winds that you are very clever because you are always poking to the weak things. You are always poking for the weaklings. Next, crumbling woods, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell them. Again, the poet is arguing and telling to the wind that you always crumbling the woods, you always crumbling the bodies, you always crumbling the lives, and you always crumbling the hearts. Means the poet is arguing to the winds that, oh winds, why you are coming in this way, that you are destroying all the things. You are destroying the windows, you are destroying the books, you are destroying the peoples, you are destroying the weak hearts of the peoples. Then, what the poet is telling to the wind, let us see in the next line. So, come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to form the body, make the heart steadfast. So, what the poet is giving us the message here, the poet is telling to the wind that telling to the wind also and telling to the people also and telling to the us also, those who are the readers. What the poet is telling? Poet is telling that again and again, if we are arguing to the winds that come slowly, come softly, don't break the windows, don't throw the papers, don't throw the books from the cells, but the wind is not. In this way, the poet is asking to come, the wind is coming because it is the nature of the wind. You know very well the nature of the wind to destroy the things. Okay. Then the poet is telling from these lines what? The poet is telling that if the wind is not obeying us, that we have to what? We have to make our body strong. We have to make our doors strong. We have to make each and everything strong that the poet could not be able to destroy us and destroy our things. Again in the next line, what the poet is asking? Do this and the wind will be friend with us. The wind blow out weak fires. We must strong fires. We make strong fires roar and flourish. Uh, his friendship is good. We praise him every day. So in these lines, what the poet is asking us and what the poet is giving us the message, the poet is giving us the message that if the wind is not obeying us, so what? What we have to be friend with the wind. Okay. First of all, let us come to know about the nature of the wind. Okay. The wind is symbolized as the hardship, as the challenges of our life. So, poetry symbolizes the wind with the bad conditions, bad situations,